If you're looking to buy or sell your home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are the ones that are going to get you in your dream home. And we have, of course, back with us today, Joe Coleman with those Callaways, and you have an amazing home to tell us about today.
That's right. We've got a wonderful, updated in 2019 Magic Zip Code home in Greenbriar. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,000 square feet. It's got a pebble pool, clerestory windows, just everything about it is just picture perfect.
Oh, I love that. And so we say magic zip code, and we know that everybody, I love the magic zip code because it's the 85254. It's the best of all worlds.
Yep. You get Scottsdale address, Paradise Valley schools, and Phoenix taxes and municipality.
Absolutely. And do we know the price point on this one?
It's going to be $525, and it's open today from 1 to 4.
You're kidding.
Yep.
Okay, this one's going to go super fast. All right, reasonably priced, beautiful home, great area. Yes, it's going to go quick. So then when everybody else wants to get into a home, they're just going to call you and say, okay, find me something similar.
Absolutely. We've got a great pre-market inventory of Magic Zip Code homes, and just call us anytime.
All right, I love that you make life so much easier. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you.